Ultrasonic training hole monitor operation guide. The steps as follows. Step 1. Preparation. You need to prepare all equipment and then put the CNC winch on the draining hole. Support it with a hot bracket. Step 2. Connection. There are 4 connectors should be plugged in. The first one is host interface connector. Second, plug the signal line connector. To connect the control box and winch through 2 cables. One used at the winch motor control cap and the other has the signal cap. Third, winch area plug. A connector to control the rise and fall of the prop. Connect through the 150 meters or 100 meters signal cap on the winch. Fourth, 220 voltage alternating hot rate plug to supply the electricity. But please note, do not use 380 voltage power supplier. Step 3. Check. You should check whether all ports are connected correctly and firmly before the test. Step 4. Adjust the parameters. Test and print. First, clean hole measurement on the screen. Second, select the appropriate gear according to the draining hole diameter and the situation of your construction, dry or wet. And then, when all the parameters complete the setting, click Next to enter the test. Then, click Start Test. After testing, you can print the testing results. And please note, this bottle is used to control the lifting speed of the prop. And please remember, when the voltage of the hose is less than 60, it needs to be charged in time. When the test finished, please unplug the power supplier first.